Okay, guys, I'm trying the KFC Chicken Sandwich, and you know what? Look at this beautiful sauce. It's low-key looking better than the Popeyes one. Hell, looking better than the McDonald's one. Okay, KFC. All right, let me try it for y'all. Ooh, it's crunchy. Damn, I don't KFC. Y'all might be doing something. Just take an end piece off. Hey. KFC. I don't know what the fuck y'all doing with them chicken tenders, but this sandwich here, this shit is bursting. Okay. It's up there. I gotta give it like a 8 out of 10. Now, this is the regular one. I didn't get the spicy because I'm bitch made, but if you ever can't see one chicken sandwich, shit, get that chicken sandwich. That chicken sandwich is busting. I never thought I would say that about fucking KFC. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all gotta try it. 8 out of 10. KFC classic chicken sandwich.